Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to edit on a Capcut by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is open the Capcut application, and after that, if you haven't ever edited your video in a Capcut, you can just go into the new project. Okay, and after that just follow all of the instruction. But if you or ever do editing in a Capcut, just need to open the previous project. So here I already have the video here. Okay, so today's editing section, I would like to share about how to use an effect into this video. So you can please take a look on this bottom features. There will be a lot of features here. There is an edit to edit in the clip. Okay, but then if you want to change the tone, the color of this clip, you can just go into the either effect or filters, but it will be simply by go into the filters. And after you click the filters, you just need to choose which filters that you want to apply into your clip. For example, this Renoir, you can see the difference between before applying the filters and after applying the filters. You can also find out if already paradise. You can also do just explore all of the filters that provide by the Capcut in your clip. Okay, so and after you find the best filter that you can use or satisfy you for the clip, okay, you just need to click a done, and after that have it checked, and after you finish and satisfied with everything, you just need to click this to export this video editing into your device. And now this video is already saved into your device. That's all the way how to edit in a Capcut application. So if you find that this tutorial is quite useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.